Hi, it's me, Annina. Welcome to Impiranta, to our cottage, and welcome to watch this new video. Today we are renovating the kitchen. The room that we are making the kitchen into was a dressing room before, because there used to be a sauna in the cottage, but it's no longer a sauna, but it's our bedroom, and that is another project. But this was a dressing room, and it also had its own door, which is not in use anymore. So to this room we are making a kitchen for us. Let's get to it. The first thing I did was empty the room. This is how we end day one of renovation. Kitchen area looks like this. Tomorrow we continue. See you then. Day two at the kitchen renovation. Oh, hi, let's see garage. Then it was time to build the cabinet for the kitchen. Pitäisikö me lopettaa tähän tältä päivältä?
Joo.
Jatketaan huomenna. Siivotaan paikat ja ruvetaan tekemään ruokaa.
Joo.
That's a wrap from this day. Here Jukka does the sinkhole, so we can get the sink in its place, and here Jukka is adjusting the cabinet to its place and putting also the sink on. Then it was time to make the pipe. Because the kitchen had previously been the dressing room for a sauna, the sauna had a pipe, so Jukka just cut the pipe and made some adjustments so he could use the sauna's old pipe. So that was really handy that he could use that. And there we have the sink and the pipes. Everything is ready. This was my favorite part because here we get the water. The most important thing for me was that we can wash our hands in the kitchen. And actually my most favorite part of the kitchen is everything Jukka made by hand. These doorknobs and some of the shelves that you will be seeing later on. Yeah, then the kitchen was ready enough that we could put some stuff in the cabinet and start cleaning the place. Here you see one of the shelves that Jukka did. I love it. I can put our coffee cups on the shelves and our glasses. It's perfect.
Eli me laitetaan se niin näin.
We also needed some other shelves in the kitchen. These are also made by Jukka and they are very handy. We can put our coffee maker and everything on the shelves. This is actually the last pieces we put into the kitchen and it starts to be ready. Yep. No. We needed to check that everything was okay with the electricity. Some final touches, and here we are. Welcome to our new kitchen. I'm really happy about the kitchen. It turned out exactly what we hoped for. I love that it is functional and beautiful. We can see the lake from the window and it's just our kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. I would love to know what you thought about this kitchen renovation makeover, so leave me a comment below. And if you want to make me happy, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will see you next time when we renovate the bedroom. See you then. Moikkeli moi!